Поносил. Поносил. Затрашки.
Ma'am, I don't know if you know the rules, okay? But it says no headphones and the dress code you need a brown poop-colored shirt, okay? So,
Yeah, sure. Help yourself, dummy.
you call me dummy? Wait.
You've got to for me.
Robux?
What do you need Robux for?
Cause I want a new skin.
Here, let me show you something. Here, try this app.
Whoa!
With Skins Clothes Maker for Roblox, you'll find hundreds of templates. There's so many colors, templates, and stickers to choose. You can even import your skin right to the game with a few taps. My son loved this one. Make your unique Roblox skin with Skins Clothes Maker.
You'll get large for me. Поносил.
Regardless if it's Pokemon, Yu-Gi-Oh, Magic the Gathering, or any other trading card game, let's see what ripping packs on Whatnot is all about. There are so many live streams on Whatnot 24/7 that you can join into and buy from. Once you find something you like, you can buy it and watch it be open live with a bunch of other collectors who will be rooting you on. The last step, of course,
Zatrashkin, you've got to for me. For this year, you gain 5 for me. Zatrashkin, you've got to for me.
And while we climb this mountain, I want to tell you